สวัสดีค่ะ and right here we have Dr. Apiniti, professor from the Department of Civil Engineering here at the Faculty of Engineering Kasetsart University in Bangkok. Dr. Apiniti สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
Dr. Apiniti and I would like to know more about your department, Civil Engineering Department. It's one of the old engineering field, right? The basic engineering field. But I'm sure that right now there are many subfields within the civil engineering, not just buildings, right? So can you tell me what are the areas that's being offered here at the Kasetsart University Civil Engineering?
Yeah, sure. Definitely. Our Department of Civil Engineering offer two main courses in the undergraduate levels that are related to the infrastructure development. So the first one is traditional civil engineering.
Traditional?
Okay, yeah. And the second one is surveying engineering and GIS, which stands for Geoinformatic System. So let me explain to you the first
please.
one.
Yes.
So regarding civil engineering course, so we have four majors, like a subdivision within this course.
Yes.
The first one is the structure engineering. So this deals with the mechanics of materials, design of all sorts of structures like timber, steel, reinforced concrete, and even pre-stressed concrete.
Timber as in wood?
Yeah, wooden structure is becoming more popular, like as a sustainable kind of structures. And secondly is the geotechnical engineering, which is my
field, right?
Yeah. So we deal with soils and rocks. So it's to do with the foundation of the buildings and also underground structures like tunnels and also related to dams, airfield, roads and so on. So that's to do with soils mainly. And then the third one is transportation engineering, which is to do with like a planning of the transportation infrastructures like road networks and also related to the innovation things like smart traffic management, for example.
So all the traffic jams could be solved by civil engineering?
Definitely.
Engineers.
This is our job, the civil engineering, the transportation
I see.
job. And also, with this smart traffic and then all to do with the traffic engineering, transportation planning and so on. And then the fourth one is construction management. So this is to do with the management of the manpower, materials, and machine and so on to make sure that the construction project is successful.
Yes.
And it's also related to the emerging technology like BIM technology and also with the sustainability in the construction practice as well.
I see. So when do students choose to go into which field? The infrastructure, the transportation?
We got to choose the selective subjects mainly in the fourth year. But during the first until the third year, we get to choose all these subjects in civil engineering, in all of the fields that I already mentioned. And I think the main focus is mainly on the structures first. And then they've got the selective subjects about transportation, construction management, and geotechnical as well.
May I go into survey engineering? Sure. The survey engineering, well, before I would see you still use this camera and then look through the camera, the lab. But I think nowadays, is there any progress or development? Yes, please can you tell us now if you study survey engineering here with us, what kind of new technology that will be introduced to the students?
Yeah, so this course on the surveying engineering for the undergraduate students is a separate course by itself. So we teach the students all the basic knowledge about surveying. So that's to do with the ground surveying, as you mentioned, using the total station. But we also emphasize on the latest technology, like the RTK, using drone, UAV and remote sensing. So make use of the satellite data to interpret, all these informations in the grounds. And we make use of all this information both for the infrastructure, design, development, monitoring, also related to the disasters management as well as the agriculture practice.
Beside the undergraduate levels, you also offer graduate levels, right? The master degree and PhD. What kind of research area do students have a choice to choose from your professors? Which areas for the research?
Right, so for the graduate levels, as you said, we have both master and PhD courses offered, and the research is mainly to do with the subdivision that I talked to you. So these 5 divisions: structure, geotech, transportation, construction management, and survey, GIS. Okay, so I think one of the main features in our research at our department is the connection with the industry. Okay, we have quite a strong link with the industry, both government and then the public sectors. So we deal with like the real life problems, like for example in my own field, geotechnical engineering. We also deal a lot with the landslides problems, with the dam construction and monitoring on preparedness for disaster. And again, for the transportation engineering, we have quite a lot of involvement with the government sectors as well, like Department of Highways, the Ministry of Transport, for example.
Right.
Yeah, so all this research, not just only practical, but we also aim at the basic research as well, especially like in the structure engineering section. We look at the innovation in the materials, in the analysis and so on, and also emphasize on the sustainability in the construction practice.
Would you like to say anything to the audience as the wrap up for your department?
Yeah, I mean, if you are an international student and you are looking for place to study, for your postgraduate in civil engineering, I think Kasetsart is a good choice. And if you have any questions, please send us some emails, and we look forward to meeting you all. Thank you.
Okay, in all the fields that you have mentioned. Okay, all right. Thank you very much today. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ